Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. I've been shopping here at Ramsor US 64. I'm showing you this because the last time we had real rain like this, like what's happening right now, which they're promising us for the next 3, 4, 5 days. Yes, please. The last time we had rain like this, real rain, was last August. That's right, this is late May. The last time we had actual real rainfall, measurable, was last August. We're in drought. Enjoy it. As I was driving out here, I got a couple of hints of it. You know, you pass through a cloud overhead that's dropping a little bit of rain, but now it's the sky is filled in with rain clouds. Excuse me for yelling. Enjoy. Yelling with joy. Enjoy it. It's beautiful. You have no idea. See the water running down along the curb? Look at it. That'll all end up in Sandy Creek in the Deep River. Well, actually not all of it. Our ground is so dry, it might be that the first day it might not be that much of an effect. I'm gonna go to Franklinville. There we go. Look at the puddles. We already got puddles. It's raining hard. This is wonderful. The last rain like this was August. I'm repeating myself. They were promising us 3, 4, or 5 days. I'm hoping it's like this. Let us. Let it soak in. And get the rivers going in South Carolina too. Oh, I love this. Wait a minute, I want to see if the lake, if they shut the, let's see if the lake is open. Hang on, I'm going to make a turn here. The guy behind me is going to make the same turn. Yeah, man, we're going to Ramsor Lake. Let's go. I got to make a left turn here. So I'll let that guy's, oh, he's buying a tractor. Let's see if what that person's doing. Yeah, they're buying a lawnmower or something. See the guy there? I'm not promoting anything. I'm not recommending anything. You got to know who's got all. I know where there's 3 different mowers fix up places in like a 1 mile radius. Okay. Well, let's see if the gate's still open. Quarter to 6. Of course, it wasn't raining 15 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. Okay, I'm just going to pull in. You've seen me do this recently to look at the lake. Now we're going to look at it with the rain. This is Ramsor Lake, created by damming Sandy Creek. Sandy Creek empties into the Deep River. Yeah, let's go kayaking. I can see the wind on there. You see the pattern from the wind? It's beautiful. This is beautiful. Don't lock me in. Actually, I gotta turn on the defroster and turn on it's condensing on the inside of the, there we go. Let's get it off the winch. We don't want to fog up the rain, the beautiful rain. There we go. This is Ramseur Lake Road. The boundaries between Ramseur and Franklinville zigzag a lot in this area. I think the entire time, whoa, look at that, look at that! It's really coming down. It's real rain. Oh! The good thing I did my climb on Space Lost Trail earlier. And then another new person new to the area, Sandy. It was great talking with her. Oh, see, we went from a cloudburst area to not a cloudburst area. You see, it's still raining, but it's less intense. See how it is? All right, I'll cut back on the wipers. I hope we hit another cloudburst. I want a lot of rain on my lawn. I've been weed whacking it. Oh, this is the perfect time to be burning the leaves. Leftover, yeah, that's what he's doing. Or yard trash. You know, when you're out here and you have all these trees, you have all kinds of dead limbs continually falling, and he's if it weren't raining, he could get a high fine for burning, because we're in this county is in one of 4 counties still in no burn. You think I'm squealing on him? Ooh. Today is Thursday and Friday, from late afternoon to very early evening, people come to the Franklinville Diner. It's a social thing. They'll soak that new landfill in there in front of the fall down church, the Franklinville United Methodist Church that the sanctuary exploded at a time when they were doing the fiber optic boring right there in the vicinity of the liquefied natural gas line that was right under in the path of the boring tube. You can tell it's been raining here. This is the river over the deep river. This is the bridge over the deep river. Pardon my senility. Oh, there's a lot of water coming over the dam. It may be that they're anticipating that this will be a significant total rainfall. It might be that it was raining upstream intensely earlier, and that's the runoff without it being let out of Randleman Lake. The watershed for the deep river all the way up to High Point and Greensboro is huge. Huge. All of the water all the rain that comes down eventually ends up in the deep river and all its feeding tributaries, creeks and whatever, temporary creeks, flash flood creeks, like one that runs next to where I'm living, through the edge of it. Okay, you see it didn't rain right here. Or it rained just a little tiny bit. No, it didn't rain here. You see? You see how it is? These people don't know it's rain. Let's see what happens when we get back home. It didn't rain here yet. Sky looks better right above us. Oh, this is all we want rain. I need it on my lawn. Give me rain. I'm going to do the long loop home. We need rain here. We need rain here. Yeah, I'm looking to the left and the sky is really dark to the left. But it's not dark straight ahead. I wonder which way the clouds are moving. Oh, crap. Come on, rain here. See? It's perfectly dry. I'm going to turn the wipers off. It's perfectly dry. That furniture's been out there for a week and a half. Come and get it. Look at this. We're driving through the desert. There's the bamboo. The bamboo wants rain. Oh, I thought when I would get home I was going to be slogging in mud, but I'm not. Ooh. Oh. See, I wouldn't have known about the rain if I hadn't gone shopping there in the edge of Ramseur. Oh. Isn't North Carolina beautiful even in drought? Look at all our trees. Where are the clouds? Oh, it's terrible. It isn't raining here. We're going for miles and miles and it isn't raining here. Wait a minute, I'm seeing some sprinkle on the windshield. It's just a little bit of sprinkle. Maybe it's off the front of my car. Finally decided to go. It's safe to go. There's just barely little mist drops coming on my windshield. Oh, I want rain. See, in Ramseur I was thrilled and happy. And here I'm a crybaby. Okay. This is Steve AB4L, crybaby. Saying see you in 73.